Welcome dear students. Today we are going to solve self-assessment 4 of class 4. One. Answer these questions. A. Who wrote Kabuliwala? Answer. Rabindranath Tagore wrote Kabuliwala. B. Can anyone use the national flag as uniform? Answer. Yes. Anyone can use the national flag as uniform. C. What did King Vikramaditya do with the fruit? Answer. King Vikramaditya gave the fruit to the treasurer. D. Did King Shivi pass in the test? Answer. Yes. King Shivi passed in the test. E. Who is the poet of the poem Sympathy? Answer is Charles Mackay is the poet of the poem Sympathy. Now question B. Choose the correct option. Correct option has been written here for your convenience. A. The national flag should not be used below the. Right answer is waist. The national flag should not be used below the waist. B. Lord Indra and Dharmaraj wanted to test King Dash. Answer is Shivi. Lord Indra and Dharmaraj wanted to test King Shivi. C. Father told Mini to play with. Answer is Bhola. Father told Mini to play with Bhola. D. The poor man gave dash to the bread. To the poet. The poor man gave dash to the poet. Right answer is bread. The poor man gave bread to the poet. E. King Vikram carried Betal on his. Answer is soldier. King Vikram carried Betal on his soldier. Now 3. Write true or false. Question A. The treasurer ate the fruit. It is false. The treasurer did not eat the fruit. He hoarded the fruit in the treasury. B. Sympathy is greater than gold. True. C. Kabuliwala became Mini's friend. True. D. There is a charkha in the middle of the national flag. False. There is a chakra in the middle of the national flag. In the beginning there was charkha, but later on it was replaced by chakra. So it is false. E. We should respect our national flag. True. Question number 4. Fill in the blanks. A. A monk came to the court of King Dash. Answer is Vikramaditya. A monk came to the court of King Vikramaditya. B. A dash man heard the grief of the poet. Answer is proud. A proud man heard the grief of the poet. C. Mini entered her father's dash. Answer is room. Mini entered her father's room. D. The national flag should not be burnt in the dash. Answer is pyre. The national flag should not be burnt in the pyre. E. Dash disguised himself as a pigeon. Answer is Dharmaraj. Dharmaraj disguised himself as a pigeon. Thank you. This was the last chapter of this book. Thank you. Have a nice day.